Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegib.com, link in the description below. Title, Python Tutorial, Finding Duplicate Characters in a String. Introduction. In this tutorial, we will explore a simple Python program to find duplicate characters in a given string. Detecting duplicate characters is a common task in string manipulation and can be useful in various applications. Code example. Explanation. Example usage. Sample output. Feel free to experiment with different input strings to see how the program identifies and displays duplicate characters. ChatGPT. Certainly. Below is a tutorial on how to write a Python program to find duplicate characters in a string, along with a code example. In this tutorial, we will learn how to write a Python program to identify and count duplicate characters in a given string. Duplicate characters are those that appear more than once in the string. To find duplicate characters in a string, we need to iterate through each character in the string and keep track of the characters that have been encountered. We can use a data structure to store the frequency of each character. We will use a dictionary to store the count of each character in the string. The keys of the dictionary will be the characters, and the values will be the count of each character. You can test the program by providing different strings as input and checking the output for duplicate characters. You have successfully learned how to write a Python program to find duplicate characters in a given string. This knowledge can be useful in various scenarios, such as data cleaning or analyzing the frequency of characters in a text. ChatGPT.